dishes to put away, a lot of catering to put away. Check my safety equipment. That is all good. And almost time to start this trip. We made a little pit stop before we travel on again. Have to clean up the airplane. Long day. I'm cleaning all of the mess and I'll check in with you at the hotel.
So you just take one, crack it open, make yourself.
Okay. It was really good.
All sorts of good stuff.
Now a swizzle is not a swizzle unless it's a swizzle, right? Okay. So, two hands.
Not a swizzle. Got a
So you almost gonna make like a calendar, right? So you're gonna turn and you're going to do an up and down motion. So you're basically churning the cocktail, right? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now the swizzle action is also going to bring the temperature down of the cocktail almost about -2 degrees. Right? So the swizzle is actually one of the coldest cocktails you will get outside.
This was the goat roti, is that what she said?
Hello, I am here in Trinidad and Tobago. I have a very quick layover. It's late, it's dark in my room, so I want to do the quick hotel room tour and then I can check in with you about why I'm here on YouTube.
All right, my front door, got a little closet back there. I've already checked. Here's my bathroom situation. Nice walk-in shower. And little vanity area. It's a nice room. This is a nice hotel. I didn't even look. Normally I'm on the water side. I am not on the water side tonight. I'm on the parking garage side, which you can't even see, but I'll show you in the morning.
All right, I showed you a little bit of the plane and a little bit of our flight over here. And when we landed, our passengers were incredibly generous. They invited us to a cooking class that they were attending that highlighted local Trinidadian food. And the food was so good. That's like my favorite part about coming to Trinidad is the amazing food. So we got off the plane after like 12 hours of flying. I had a few stops before we made it here. We went to the cooking class with our passengers and I leave tomorrow afternoon. So I don't have a ton of time here. I don't really know what I'll be able to show you, but I feel like I needed to vlog here in Trinidad. And that's because whenever I post a Trinidad vlog, I feel like everyone in Trinidad is like, oh, you're in my country. I hope you eat some good food. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm just like getting love bombed. And the views are generally higher and it's just a positive thing. So I thought, if I'm gonna come to YouTube, I've gotta do it for Trinidad. So here's the frustrating thing. I need berries for my catering tomorrow. And the caterer's like, I don't know if we can get you berries. We're gonna try, but we might not be able to. So now it's time for me to go to bed and I'm not gonna be able to sleep knowing I don't have all of my catering secured for tomorrow, and I'll have plenty of time to get it done tomorrow. And I will get it done. I always get it done. But I just hate that it's not done before I'm going to bed. But the hotel that I'm staying at has breakfast. I'm gonna just order a bunch of berries for breakfast and take them with me to the airport. They have Bravo. I was just gonna go to bed. We'll start getting ready to go to bed. And I looked at the TV guide and I remember why I like this layover so much, because they actually have Bravo in the hotel. My New York girls are on, so it's the perfect evening. Let's see how the view is this morning. A couple mountains, hotel. Looks like a nice day out. Good morning. I slept very well last night, not long enough, but I slept well. And now I need to figure out catering. So I'm gonna head downstairs to one of the many restaurants at this hotel. I'm gonna get myself a cup of coffee because I'll think better if I'm caffeinated. And then I will put my game plan together for the day. I'm gonna take a little detour. I realize the pool of the hotel is on the floor that I'm staying on. Okay, I found catering. They have fruit cups and salads, and that's what I'm gonna provide for my passengers. So I just ordered ahead, and we should be good. So the FBO just called my room here at the hotel to tell me that they have talked to all of the caterers who provide services to their FBO, to the airport, and none of them have been able to find berries. So it's official, there's a berry shortage here in Trinidad and Tobago. The most stressful part of this job is how much you don't have control over certain things. Luckily, the person I fly for is very understanding, and I have backup options because you never want to tell a VIP no. If you're not able to accommodate them, you have to have some other sort of solution. So I have other fruit options as a backup, and I've exhausted all my resources. There's not anything that I could do. Also, I feel like odds are someone's gonna say, well, couldn't you just bring berries with you? No, you can't. You can't bring produce or meats, dairies, nuts. There's just like a list of things that you can't bring into certain islands or from country to country. So that would not have been an option, but thank you for potentially suggesting that's what I should have done. All right, I did a little workout and I'm just putting myself and my room together before I head to the airport and we fly off to the next destination. So this may not have been the most exciting layover for you to see here in Trinidad. It was exciting for me. It was exciting for my taste buds. All of the food was fabulous. I do wish I was here longer so I could see something besides the cook kitchen and our hotel. But I enjoyed my time in Trinidad. I hope you enjoyed my brief return here to YouTube and you liked this vlog. All my catering bags. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here.